All right, guys, here we are, April unboxing broke ass beard supply. So stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you've come to the right place. Today is our unboxing for our April company, Broke Ass Beard Supply and Year of the Beard. Not know what Year of the Beard is? 12 companies, 12 months. Each company, only their products going in this beard for the entire month. So this month is Broke Ass Beard Supply. So we're fixing to bust into this and see what products we have, give you a first impression on them, let you know what I think about them on my first impression. But these products in this box are gonna be what's going in this beard for the month. So let's get to my knife. Got me a new Moore knife, red and black, you know, for them dogs. And let's get into it. So check out that blade, look at that. All right, to cut away from yourself, you know, that's what they say, but I'm a professional. Let's see if we can get this box open. So Broke Ass is a fairly new company. They've been around for maybe a year, maybe not quite a year. I think he included some stuff in here for me to read to you guys about the company. And let's see. Okay, here we go. Doug, thank you for testing out our products. We here at Broke Ass Beard Supply Company love that you do your reviews with a straightforward and unbiased opinion. We really hope that you enjoy the list of products you received and would love to hear what you think about them. Also, we have included a goat's milk bar soap that you can use on the body and beard. This is something that we have been working on for some time. Please note that this is a tester size and not the final size. We wanted to take a moment to let you know our story. We started out on our own bearded journey by purchasing products from the companies that you know and love for our beard care needs. Yes, most of these companies are great, but we thought that we could create a superior product at a much lower cost. Everyone should be able to have the top of the line ingredients in their beard care and not have to pay a small fortune to have a well-groomed, healthy, and great smelling beard. This sprung the idea for Broke Ass Beard Supply Company. We offer popular and classic cologne-inspired scents and our And series, which features a rotating series of scents that feature two great complementary scents. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear what you say. Thanks again and have a great day. Signed by Eric, the company owner. So, great little note here. That is their business card. Check that out, and that logo, that is just awesome. That's one of them logos that'll put a smile on your face just looking at it. I mean, look at that. So we've got, and check out this. This is something new that I've not seen a company do before. On the back of their business card. Business card here, on the back, a list of all of their scents. That is unique and amazing. Awesome job. I like that. That's great. Gives people a chance to not only pick up your business card, but be able to look to see what you offer. So kudos to you. That's awesome. Also got a sticker. Check that out. All right, so let's get that out of the way. And let's see what we have in here. It's a lot of products and a lot of bubble wrap. So this may take a few minutes to get into. So let's see what we got. We can get into them. So this one is, let's see, smoked vanilla, tonka bean, summer peach, rolled tobacco, Turkish coffee, antique woods, vintage leather. So it comes in, they come in a clear bottle. We'll go ahead and get this out of the way. And that label on there, I really like, because of the clear bottle. I like that the label doesn't wrap all the way around. Gives you a chance to really see in that bottle, and it is just awesome. So their label, if it'll focus good, over here we have ingredients right here. They're kind of small, but you can read them. Scroll around, got on this side. Luxurious ingredients at broke ass prices. All right, let's get into this and see what it smells like. So this is antique woods and vintage leather. Ooh, that's a good scent. That's really good. I like that one. All right, so let's see what else we got here. That one must be part of their And series. Let me get one of these business cards. Yes, Cuban cigar and 25-year whiskey. No, antique wood and vintage leather. Okay, they all have the same label. All right, so we're learning together. We're learning together, guys. So we have 5 here. We have... Okay, so we have 5 different And series products, and they're all on the same, they all have the same label, but they have marked which one it is. So this one is marked. So this is the antique woods and vintage leather. So forgive me, let's back up a little bit. And I get the leather. Oh, that just smells so good. I love that one. All right, so now that we figured out the labels, we got that out of the way. I think that's only the way their labels are on the And series. I may be wrong. All right, so this is another one from the And series. This is Summer Peach and Rolled Tobacco. Again, clear, kind of a yellow color. Not a real thick oil. Oh my God. That's good. Summer Peach and Rolled Tobacco. I don't pick up more of one than the other. It is a good mix of peach and tobacco. All right, let's see what this one is. That was a good one. Well, we can get it out of here. This one's wrapped up tight. All right, scent 22. So this is inspired by Tom Ford's Tobacco Oud. Ooh. It's oud, but I get that, just that good tobacco scent in that. This is how they're labeled right here. Scent 22. That is amazing. All right. So this one we're just gonna smell outright before we look at what the scent profile is and see if we can figure it out. I may be wrong. I've smelled a lot of product. All right. Oh, that's coffee. That's a good coffee scent. Turkish coffee and butterscotch cream. Another of the And series. I get a hint of that butterscotch. That's amazing. All right, let's get the trash out the way. All right, so what we got here looks like well, I can get into it. Sometimes you gotta use your knife. All right, so This one is beard butter in a 2-ounce glass jar. Scent 222. Oh, and that's just, look at that. Loaded down in there. Ooh, that smells good. What is that? I don't know what it is, but oh man. Oh yeah, I'm ready to get that in beard. That smells really good. All right, let's see what else we got here. This is our, looks like our trial size soap. I don't want to open it out here. So we'll have to see what we'll have to do that on an update video. All right, so we got some balms. So it looks like we got 4 balms, which will probably match our oils. So this one is Summer Peach and Rolled Tobacco in a 2-ounce tin. Oh man, that smells so good. Let's see, does it? Let's see how. Oh, it's not a firm. Oh, it's just a good consistency. Let's check it. Just a little bit there. Oh yeah, it melts down almost like a butter. Oh man, get that peach. Whew, that's good. Good stuff. All right, now I got that on my hand, so it's gonna be hard to get a good idea of the rest of this, but we're gonna try. Antique wood and vintage leather. Just a little more subtle than the oil. Let's see, number 22, this is the Tobacco Oud. Just a little more subtle than the oil, so it smells really good though. It matches that scent profile just like the oil. It's just a little more subtle. Oh, it's bubble wrap. And this one is Turkish coffee and buttercream. Oh man, that coffee. So this is the label for the balms. So we'll talk about ingredients real quick. So the balm ingredient: coconut oil, sweet almond oil, shea butter, beeswax, mango nut butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, aloe extract, marula oil, maybe, emu oil, baobab oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance. Ingredients on the oils: fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, aloe extract, marula oil, emu oil, baobab oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance. And where'd our butter go? And our butter: kokum butter, mango nut butter, shea butter, fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, aloe extracts, baobab oil, emu oil, and I know I butchered baobab oil, marula oil, vitamin E oil, and fragrance. One thing that I did not notice in here, let me look again. All right, so the balm has beeswax, but the butter has no beeswax. It's just butters and oils. So, all right, guys, April's gonna be a good month. We've got 4 oil balm combos and a butter to try out, and it's gonna be good. These all smell amazing. So stay tuned for the updates, and I'll give you my take on them and how they do for this beard. April 1st, April Fool's Day. I'm not gonna fool you guys. I'm gonna start using it April 1st, and we're gonna give you an update that first week and tell you how they're doing in my beard. So if you want to check out Broke Ass, get over and check out their products and look at these scent profiles that we went over today. I will drop them in the description below. I'll drop some links to Broke Ass and you can go check them out. I will also drop the actual scent profiles that he sent me to use for the month of April, and you can check them out for yourself. But stay tuned, and until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.